Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. Today we're looking at the Booster Mini Turbine Blower, a compact, powerful tool perfect for cleaning electronics or quick outdoor jobs. Let's get started. Product features. Powerful performance. The standout feature here is the high air thrust of 35 meters per second and a high RPM motor. This allows the blower to deliver strong, consistent airflow, making it perfect for cleaning dust out of keyboards, laptops, or tight corners, and even drying wet surfaces quickly. Versatile applications. This isn't just a tech cleaner, it's a multitasking tool. From blowing away debris on your workbench to helping with light outdoor cleaning or inflating objects, the Booster Mini Blower is up for a wide range of tasks. That flexibility adds real value. Portable design. Thanks to its lightweight and compact build, the blower is easy to carry around. Whether you're using it in the office, garage, or outdoors, it doesn't take up much space and fits nicely in a bag or drawer. Long battery life. Equipped with a reliable battery, the blower offers up to 4.5 hours of use on a single charge. That's more than enough to tackle multiple cleaning jobs without worrying about frequent recharging. Adjustable speed settings. It comes with 4 speed levels, allowing you to control airflow depending on what you're working on. Low speed for delicate electronics, high speed for tougher debris. This flexibility helps avoid damage and improve efficiency. Pros. Strong air output for fast, efficient cleaning. Compact and lightweight, great for portability. Long battery life, up to 4.5 hours of usage. 4 speed settings to match different cleaning needs. Useful for both indoor and outdoor applications. Cons. May not be powerful enough for heavy-duty outdoor jobs. Slightly louder on higher speed settings. Takes a few hours to fully recharge. Final thoughts. The Booster Mini Turbine Blower is a small but mighty tool that packs solid performance into a portable package. Its powerful airflow, flexible speed settings, and long-lasting battery make it a great choice for cleaning electronics, household maintenance, and light outdoor tasks. If you need a handy, rechargeable mini blower that delivers consistent results, this one's definitely worth checking out. You'll find the product link in the description below if you'd like to learn more or make a purchase. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more smart tech content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.